How to treat cough and cold in winters. Hello, friends. Welcome to your favorite channel, How To. Winter is a beautiful season, but it also brings along the common cold and cough. In today's video, we will discuss effective home remedies, lifestyle changes, and when to seek medical help to treat cough and cold during winters. So, stay tuned till the end for complete relief tips. Part 1. Understanding cough and cold. Before we move to the remedies, let's understand what causes cough and cold during winters. 1. Common causes. Viral infections like the common cold or flu. Dry air leading to irritation in the throat. Weak immune system during colder months. 2. Symptoms to recognize. Persistent cough. Runny or stuffy nose. Sore throat. Mild fever. Body aches and fatigue. Part 2. Home remedies for immediate relief. Now let's explore some tried and tested home remedies to combat cough and cold naturally. 1. Ginger and honey tea. Boil fresh ginger slices in water. Add a teaspoon of honey and sip it warm. Benefits. Soothes the throat and reduces cough. 2. Steam inhalation. Boil water in a bowl and add a few drops of eucalyptus oil. Cover your head with a towel and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Benefits. Clears nasal passages and relieves congestion. 3. Turmeric milk golden milk. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric to warm milk. Drink it before bedtime. Benefits. Anti-inflammatory properties boost immunity. 4. Saltwater gargle. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Gargle 2 to 3 times a day. Benefits. Relieves throat irritation and kills germs. 5. Herbal steam packs. Use herbs like thyme or mint in hot water to create a steam inhaler. Benefits. Eases breathing and reduces coughing fits. Part 3. Diet tips to boost immunity. Your diet plays a crucial role in fighting cough and cold. Let's talk about foods to include and avoid during winters. 1. Foods to include. Citrus fruits, rich in vitamin C to strengthen immunity. Garlic, natural antibiotic properties. Soups and broths, warm chicken or vegetable soup soothes the throat. Yogurt, contains probiotics that support gut health and immunity. 2. Foods to avoid. Cold and sugary foods like ice cream. Fried and oily foods that can irritate the throat. 3. Hydration is key. Drink warm water, herbal teas, or fresh juices. Avoid caffeinated and carbonated drinks. Part 4. Lifestyle changes for prevention. Prevention is always better than cure. Follow these lifestyle changes to avoid catching a cough or cold. 1. Dress warmly. Always wear layered clothing to stay warm. Cover your head, neck, and hands while stepping out. 2. Humidify your home. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air. Helps prevent dry throat and nose irritation. 3. Regular exercise. Engage in light exercises like yoga or walking. Boosts circulation and immune function. 4. Proper sleep. Sleep for 7 to 8 hours to help your body recover and repair. 5. Hygiene practices. Wash your hands frequently with soap. Avoid touching your face, especially your nose and mouth. Part 5. When to seek medical attention. Most cases of cough and cold resolve on their own, but here are some signs that indicate you should consult a doctor. 1. High fever lasting more than 3 days. 2. Shortness of breath or chest pain. 3. Persistent cough for more than 2 weeks. 4. Severe sinus pain or swelling. 5. Blood in mucus or phlegm. Part 6. Busting myths about cough and cold. Let's debunk some common myths surrounding cough and cold. 1. Myth: antibiotics cure the common cold. Fact: colds are caused by viruses, and antibiotics don't work on viruses. 2. Myth: you shouldn't exercise when you have a cold. Fact: light exercise can help improve circulation and immunity. 3. Myth: drinking cold water worsens a cold. Fact: it's more about staying hydrated than the temperature of the water. So friends, these were some of the best tips to treat and prevent cough and cold during winters. Remember, a strong immune system and a little care can go a long way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, How To. Also, let us know your favorite remedies in the comments below. Stay warm and stay healthy.